Join us today as we head back to the chicken coop to gather fresh eggs. Then we bring the eggs home to use in a tasty treat. Is that Pineapple the chicken? Do you want to go inside the chicken coop and get some eggs? Look at the egg, Rhett. Can you grab that egg? Good job. Now we can take it home and make something cool with it. Can you show me the egg you found? Wow, let's look at Addison's egg. Wow, those are some really pretty eggs. Can you tell the chickens thank you?
Thanks.
Thank you, chickens. Hey, Rhett, check out these cool cupcakes we're gonna make today. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Me too. They're galaxy cupcakes. We're gonna have some cool star sprinkles. All right, let's get those eggs that Nana gave us yesterday from our chickens. The eggs we got from the chicken coop. All right, are you ready to make some cool galaxy cupcakes? Let's get started. Step number 1, Rhett, we have to turn the oven to 350 degrees. You want Mommy to do that part?
Me.
You wanna do it?
Yes.
All right, let's go do it. All right, Rhett, let's turn this to 350 degrees. All right, we're at 350 degrees. Let's show them the eggs we brought home from Nana's house. Look at those eggs, aren't they pretty? All right, you wanna get to cracking them? All right, let's get eggs. We need 2 eggs. Look at that, that's already 2 eggs.
Animal.
Nana's eggs had 2 yolks in 1. Is your hands gross?
Animal.
All right, let's wash your hands. All right, let's see what's next. All right, Rhett, we need a half of a cup of water. All right, let's check it out. Let's see if this is a half of a cup. Let's look right here. Is it half of a cup? Look down here. Is it right here? Is it level? I think it is. You want to pour in a half of a cup?
Yes.
All right, let's pour it really slow. Real slow. Good job. Pour all of it out. And then we need 3 tablespoons of oil. All right, let's get 3 tablespoons of oil.
Teaspoon.
Okay, we have 3 tablespoons. Can you?
More.
That's right, slow. All right, we gotta make sure it's level. All right, there's 1. Dump it. Good job. Hold it up so it's level, nice and flat. 2. All right, let's make sure it's really level, like right there. Hold it just like that for me, okay? All right, lift it up. All right, perfect. Last 1, that'll be 3. Dump. Good job. Now we get to open up the cake mix and mix it. You ready? Can you grab all the cool stuff out of the box? What's that?
Munda.
Oh, you want a moon and a star? They're sprinkles. Yeah, you can have one. Hold on. Let's open up. You're welcome. Let's open up the rest. Let's see what's in there. Uh-oh, that must have been the mix. We'll grab that. You want to try a sprinkle? What did you get? What kind of sprinkle did you get?
Yeah.
A star? Yummy.
And yeah.
Another star? All right, let's open up the mix and pour it in. Good job. The attachments on the mixer, Rhett, and you can get to mixing. Are you ready? All right, let's do it. Turn it on and get to mixing. There you go. Good job. Very good, Rhett. That's the burst. Let's leave it going slow so we can get nice and mixed. All right, let Mama help you a little bit. There you go. Make sure it's all mixed up. I think it's all mixed, Rhett. All right, let's turn it off and we can eject the mixers. You ready to eject them? Can you pull up on that little button and they'll fall out? There you go. Push it out. All right, lift up real high. There you go. Good job. All right. Way to go. You want to taste it? We'll save one for Addison and she can taste it too. Here, you want to taste it? How does it taste? Tastes good? Hey, look at me. Let me see your face. Is that mix really good? Can't eat too much though. It might make your tummy hurt. One more lick. All right. Now let's fill up these liners, these cupcake liners. And did you hear that noise? You know what that meant? The oven's preheated. It's ready for our cupcakes. All right, let's get the mix into the liner so we can get it in the oven. Okay, you ready? Hey, what does Mama have?
Cream scoop.
An ice cream scoop. You know what ice cream scoop is really good to do? Scooping out batter and sticking it into the cupcake liners. So that's what we're gonna use, okay?
Yes.
All right, so this cupcake mixture will make 12 cupcakes, but we only have 6 here because we're gonna do it 2 times. Okay, you ready, puppy?
Yes.
Let's do it, puppy.
Okay.
All right, the cupcake liners are filled. Let's put it in the oven. And then we have to wait 15 to 20 minutes, and then we can have a cupcake. Yay! All right, here they go. All right, cupcakes are in the oven. Let's close the door and wait 15 to 20 minutes. Tastes good? All right, let's check on the cupcakes. Oh, I think they're almost finished. A few more minutes. Let's wait for the timer to go off. Ready? What was that noise?
Big noise.
The timer went off. Our cupcakes are ready. Let's get them out. Let's check out this beautiful icing. What color is that icing?
Purple.
It is purple. All right, let's get a little bit on a spoon and you can ice your cupcake, okay? And then you can add sprinkles. All right, buddy, take this icing and put it on your cupcake. Flip it over. There you go. Perfect. Good job. Look at that delicious cupcake. Rhett, you did such a good job. You know what that cupcake started with? Our trip to the chicken coop. And we got those pretty fresh eggs. And now we can use those pretty fresh eggs for our cupcakes. And now you get to eat it. You want to put on some sprinkles first?
Yes.
All right, let's add a few sprinkles on top. Put them on top of your cupcake.
Oh my God.
What do you have, a star? Just one? Pick all of them up and sprinkle them like this, watch.
Mama try.
Mama, try. Here we go. It's beautiful. You did such a good job. All right, let's try that yummy cupcake that you made. How does it taste? How does it taste?
Okay.
It tastes good. Good job. All right, buddy. Enjoy that yummy cupcake. Thanks for joining us today. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more learning and fun.
Bye. Bye.